Stop paying for Canva Pro because these Canva hacks that I'm going to show you today in this video will give you the same results completely free without buying a pro subscription. Follow along and don't miss the last hack as that will save you a lot of money. So let's dive in. Without paying a single cent, you can now remove backgrounds like a pro. Click on create and select the social media and uploading an image for Facebook post. Just scroll down from here and click on background eraser and choose the file that you want to remove the background of a particular image. And just click on remove background and you will see after removing the background the image will pop up automatically here. Now you can just drag and here, and even we can animate also. When you will mouse over, you will see what variations you will get. Let's start with the hack number 2. This will be super fun as I will be turning my photo into a soft plush toy look. It's perfect for profile pics, thumbnails, or just showing off your creative side. And yes, it's 100% free in Canva right now. Let me show you. Click on create, social media, Facebook post, and then go on uploads. Go under the apps section and just search plushifier. So now choose the file that you want to turn your image into a toy. I'm selecting this photo and click on generate. Let's see how my image will look like when it turns into a toy. Wow, it's really look like 3D soft plush version. How cool. So if I click to add to design, it will just automatically pop up here. You can drag and resize it accordingly. So let's start with hack number 3. Add video captions automatically. 100% free. Now for the most powerful one, automatic video captions right inside Canva. You can all get it here. Let's click on videos and I am selecting mobile video. Click on upload and select the video that I want to add the video captions automatically. So I added this video here. Just resize it. Click on the text and then captions. And click here, generate captions. Wow, it's giving me now automatic captions over here. So no more adding manually, right? You can even change your captions here. This Canva hack will save hours of manual typing and even make your videos more engaging when it comes to Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, as your video captions will be added automatically without purchasing a pro version. All for free. So there you go. Try them out and comment your favorite down below. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button for more AI design secrets. Help me grow my channel as I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. More Canva hacks video that will blow your mind are coming soon.